Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by signing into Google Analytics and selecting the account that will contain the new property. Once there, open Admin and click Create Property. Choose GA4 so you get the current features. Name the property clearly for reporting and set the reporting time zone and currency now, because those affect all historical and future data. Make sure to save. This first step creates the shell you'll configure next, and skipping the time zone now forces later data adjustments. Once the property exists, create a data stream, usually web for sites, and copy the measurement ID. This ID ties events to your property. Next, install the tag, paste the G tag. JS snippet into your site's head or deploy it with Google Tag Manager. Choose based on your workflow and maintenance needs. After that, enable enhanced measurement inside the stream so clicks, scrolls, and page views are captured automatically. Doing this now reduces custom tracking work later. And now finalize by verifying data arrives. Open real-time and debug view while you trigger site actions to confirm events flow in. Once verified, mark important events as conversions and link accounts like Google Ads for cross-product reporting. If things go wrong, the most common fix is checking tag placement and measurement ID accuracy, ensuring no ad blockers interfere, and confirming user permissions in admin. If you still see no hits, inspect the browser console for tag errors and redeploy after correcting them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.